What's up guys, you're watching Sid Gaming and today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5, how to fix the system software error on your PlayStation 5. Here we go to the settings and then system. Here you have the software update and the settings, update system software, just check your system software is up to date or not. And secondly, the about latest system software update, download. That's how you can using the internet and you can update with the USB cable. And other settings you must check in and automatic download it. And the second option, you just go to the safe mode and download update file and put it into USB and then go to the safe mode. After turning off and you connect your DualShock with the USB cable, then it will work. And the third option, fourth option, update the system software, and the last, reinstallation. So here if you want to update again a same version, you can reinstallation on the system software, and if you want to update, then you just simply update the system software, and after that you get back to your home screen. So that's how simply you can fix the software update error on your PlayStation 5, Sony 5.